The Stoics weren't philosophers who only wrote books. They lived their philosophy every day. And they built daily routines to train the mind just like an athlete trains the body. Here's how to build your own Stoic daily routine, step by step. Step 1. Morning preparation. Begin the day by reminding yourself. Life is fragile, people will test you, and only your response is in your control. This primes your mindset. Step 2. Journaling. Write reflections on virtue, control, and gratitude. Journaling is how Marcus Aurelius wrote his meditations, private notes to sharpen his mind. Step 3. Voluntary discomfort. Practice something challenging. Cold showers, fasting, or a physical workout. Seneca said, "Set aside a certain number of days and say to yourself, 'Is this the condition I so feared?'" Step 4. Midday reflection. Take a short pause at midday. Ask, "Am I living with wisdom, courage, justice, and self-control?" Adjust course if needed. Step 5. Evening review. At night, reflect on your actions. Epictetus advised, "Review your day. Ask yourself what you did right, what you did wrong, and what you left undone." This isn't about being perfect. It's about training daily. Small practices that build an unshakable mind. Subscribe to Stoic Spark for guides that turn philosophy into daily life.